As industrial civilization strides into the 21st century, the wave of technology and artificial intelligence is reshaping the global industrial landscape. In Dongguan, a renowned mold manufacturing hub within the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, a resolute force of intelligent manufacturing is flourishing. This is Immetech. With a simple yet profound ideal of serving a better life for humanity, Immetech embarked on its journey in 2009. Over the past decade, we have evolved from a professional mold manufacturer in our early days to a provider of integrated digital mold and manufacturing solutions through continuous innovation and iteration. Today, in Dongguan, the mold manufacturing capital, Immetech has developed into a comprehensive solution provider for integrated digital mold and manufacturing services, covering the entire OEM/ODM chain from product design and development, rapid prototyping, mold development and manufacturing, injection molding, to product assembly. Our products and solutions deeply empower global industries and are widely applied in key sectors such as automotive parts, medical device, electronics parts, artificial intelligence parts, security parts, energy-saving parts, home appliances, robotics, and industrial parts. All Immetech members, with their craftsmanship and digital technology, provide customers with reliable, integrated digital mold and manufacturing products, contributing to their business success. In 2025, Immetech underwent a comprehensive upgrade and relocated to a new 18,000 square meter integrated digital mold and manufacturing plant, forming a dual drive of R&D and production with the Nanchang R&D headquarters. Over 200 new craftsmen carry our profound insights into intelligent manufacturing as they pursue our vision of delivering value to customers. We have invested hundreds of millions of RMB to build an industry-leading flexible mold manufacturing and digital production platform. The core equipment cluster includes high-speed and high-precision machining centers from Rotors, DMG Mori, 3-axis/5-axis, Fanuc, and Carusi, precision mirror EDM machines from Makino and Mitsubishi, wire-cutting machines from Seibu and Sodic, as well as coordinate measuring machines from Zeiss and Hexagon, ensuring machining accuracy up to plus or minus 0.001 millimeter. Our annual mold development and manufacturing capacity exceeds 800 sets, complemented by 35 high-speed and double-color injection molding machines ranging from 50 tons to 530 tons from Demag, Toshiba, Sumitomo, Haitian, and Zafir. We also have clean injection molding workshops and dust-free assembly workshops meeting different product requirements, forming a comprehensive manufacturing service capability from precision molds, micro to large injection molded parts, to high cleanliness product assembly. Immetech offers not only high value-added services, but also a full-process digital one-stop solution. The factory adopts a digital management system combined with a flexible mold automation production line, enabling intelligent tracking throughout the entire process from order generation to production processing and quality inspection. Our intelligent flexible mold production line achieves minute-level switching and unmanned blacklight production for mold part machining, with equipment utilization exceeding 90% and machining efficiency increased by over 30%, enabling 7 by 24-hour operation. This ensures delivery speed and cost advantages for small batch, non-standard molds while maintaining consistent quality. Real-time monitoring and optimization of equipment collaboration, production volume, and data during the production process ensure effective quality control and on-time delivery, creating maximum value for customers. Immetech's digital PLM, ERP, MES, MOM, APS, WMS, and other systems enable full process management. Our intelligent warehousing and logistics system integrates automated three-dimensional warehouses and AGV handling scheduling, ensuring precise and efficient material flow. Relying on our design and R&D center in the UK and a sales and service network in North America, Immetech can comprehensively meet customers' personalized needs from front-end R&D and design to production manufacturing and after-sales service, continuously creating value for global customers. We strictly adhere to international quality management systems such as IATF 16949 and ISO 13485, and have been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise for multiple years. Over 50 patents cover innovative design concepts for molds and products, turning global customers' design concepts into reality. Facing future challenges, all Immetech members will approach with greater enthusiasm and profound industrial sentiment, continuously deepening our expertise in integrated mold and manufacturing services and digitalization. We are not just about delivering products. We are committed to becoming a trusted partner for our customers' business success.